Lin Baoying, the only woman among 10 suspects in Singapore's multi-billion-dollar money laundering investigation, was on Tuesday, May 21, handed 7 new charges. The new charges are related to the possession of suspected criminal proceeds and forgeries that were submitted to banks. After the charges were tendered, Lin's lawyer Mr. Chu Kei-jin informed the court that she wished to plead guilty. Lin then spoke up and asked the judge for an early date for her plea. The 44-year-old Chinese national appeared via video link and followed proceedings through a Mandarin interpreter. The fresh charges mean that Lin now stands accused of a total of 10 offenses. She was previously charged with forging documents to sell a property in Macau and for lying that she had not prepared the sales document. The 2 original charges of forgery were amended on Monday. Lin is now accused of submitting a forged agreement of a property sale in Macau to justify deposits of nearly 122.5 million Hong Kong dollars, $15.7 million in a CIMB bank account and 75 million Hong Kong dollars in a Standard Chartered bank account. In the fresh charges, she is similarly accused of submitting forged property sale documents to UOB Kay Hian and the Overseas Chinese Banking Corporation, OCBC, to justify deposits of 12.5 million Hong Kong dollars across both accounts. She is charged with having almost 210 million Hong Kong dollars suspected of being at least partly criminal proceeds held across her 4 bank accounts. She also allegedly conspired with Wan Liu Kai and Wan Li Hongmin to forge a tax payment certificate with the intention of using it to cheat Bank Julius Baer Company. Lin will return to court for a pre-trial conference on Thursday. Her partner, Zhong Ruijin, 45, was sentenced to 15 months jail after pleading guilty to 3 charges in April for his role in the money laundering operation. The couple was arrested in a bungalow along Pearl Island at Sentosa Cove last August. The prosecution previously said that Lin had a teenage daughter who lived in Beach Road with a domestic helper while she lived separately in Sentosa. The combined assets between Lin and Zhong came to about 325 million Singapore dollars, $240 million, with Lin having the larger share of the pie, a court previously heard. More than 3 billion Singapore dollars in assets have been seized or frozen in relation to the case, making it Singapore's largest money laundering probe and likely one of the largest money laundering operations in the world. 6 of the 10 suspects have been convicted and sentenced to between 13 months and 15 months in jail. They have forfeited more than 540 million Singapore dollars in assets to the state so far.